just reached 100 subscribers. Hey guys, so we're walking down to school now. We just park over there somewhere because we don't have school park, so we need to park outside.
With you on Tuesday, you should have done. So we're going to look at
Masarap. Diba lagi may pinapanood doon, gusto ko mapakinggan. So, parang we talk about like it's gonna be a big story, so I made it.
So what's going on?
Also like no, it's just like you have another personality.
So is this you sort of writing, describing what it's going to be, or is this the start of it?
Just describing what will happen.
Okay, so I'll read the question.
Thank you. We're on our way home na. We're at the back of the school because our building were like far behind, so hey guys, so we already finished our subjects. I only have 2 subjects today. Hey guys, so quick update. All my devices are in low battery right now. My camera is charging, so I'm just gonna relax and chill for a while I'm still waiting for my phone and camera to charge up, and then I'm gonna start doing things that I needed. So my mom wants me to sew this, like the cotton inside is already falling off, so she wants me to sew them so we can still use them, like so it can be still functionable. Yay, I've already done one. That's straight line, but who cares? We're just gonna cover it with pillowcase though. Okay, I just found out that there's some still things that I need to sew, so I'm gonna be making scrunchies which made of recycled clothes. This is my old clothes, and here guys I have some examples. This is the first one. So next step, we need to flip around the fabrics. So this side, the side that where we sew it, will be going inside. So I'm just gonna use a bobbin pin and put them on the one side. And just will be my guide when I'm all done. So as you can see, so it looks like clean. There's no sewing excess. I will not lose the garter.
Just like that, just gonna knock them really tight, and then we're comfortable.
Hello friends! So it's currently midnight. It's currently dinner now. Chicken. chicken breast, soy sauce with lemon. Hey guys, it's currently 22:28. 10:28. It's currently 10:28. I'm still not done with my business. Also, I'm gonna need to do some pom-poms.
Sayonara. Watashi.
Hey guys, so I'm just editing the video right now when I receive a notification from YouTube where it says that hey, we just reached 100 subscribers. So thank you so much guys. I really appreciate those subscribes and views and likes and shares that you gave to me. I really appreciate that.